Hi everybody, today's tutorial video we're going to show you how to factory data reset your Life Wireless X301 Win 3G smartphone from Life Wireless. So first off, what you want to do, go to menu and swipe next to settings if you see it. Scroll down until you see, I'm going to go ahead and remove this account because it's pretty much useless. Hold up, let me pause the video real. Alright, I'm back and I removed the account because pretty much useless. And what you want to do, go to the little menu icon that says personal, and if back up and reset, back factory data reset, reset phone, erase everything. And if you want to click that erase storage, it'll basically wipe everything. Sorry if I talked a little. And let it load for a bit. Take a little while, but this is the little Android. It's making its process resetting. And I remember having an old one back in 2018, and it's my childhood. Like, literally, I don't know why, but it's my childhood too. I like that little round circle. Reminds me of a tennis ball a little bit. Or maybe kind of a kiwi, to be honest. I may have to go to an editing app and probably speed it up. Probably have to I'll probably speed up the video a little so that way it could go faster. I'll pause the video if I can. Here we go. Give it its... Yeah, just let it give its time. Let it have its own time. And there you go. Phone has been factory reset. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't, instead you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more tutorial videos like this. And without being said, let's end it right here. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.